Right now we're going to install the laces, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do it and how nice the shoes are going to look when it's all done. So you get 20 laces in each set. Right here I've laid out 10 laces, and that's good for one shoe, and the other bag is good for the other shoe. And that should be enough to accommodate the holes on your shoe. So basically you want to provide a little tension with each lace. So with your foot in the shoe, line up the end of one lace to one of the holes and hold the other end to the opposite hole. You want to find a size that doesn't quite reach the opposite hole but needs a little stretch. Once they're installed in the holes, that'll provide enough tension to keep your foot snug. And you're going to repeat this for every set of holes up the shoe. You're just going to pull the end of one lace through the hole like this and pull it through from the other side. Stretch the lace over and insert the other end the same way. It's that simple. In the end, you have a shoe that looks clean with no messy laces or knots, and you can slip it on and off with ease.
Shoelaces come with a 100% money-back guarantee, and we also have no-tie laces for sneakers and athletic shoes. Urkies.com